What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how I wash my car without touching it, without making any contact with the paint. I'm gonna talk about why you would do this and when you would do it as well.
Alright, why would you want to use this method here? Well, it's a lot easier than a typical hand wash with buckets and a wash mitt. It's also a lot safer than using a waterless wash, spray wax, quick detailer. I know a lot of guys like to use those in between their regular washes. And while that's totally fine, it's just personal preference for me. Having a black car shows swirls incredibly easily, as you guys know. So if I can just reduce the time that I'm touching the car, then that helps me sleep at night for sure. So when would you want to do this? You only want to do this if your car is moderately dirty. And when I say moderately dirty, I mean dusty, maybe a few water spots, a couple bugs. But if you've driven in the car in the rain and it's got mud on it and bird poop all over it, you're going to have to skip this. You're going to have to go to a regular hand wash. This is only going to get so much dirt off. So in my case here, the car is just simply dusty. And it has a couple bugs on it on the front, but they've only been there for less than a day. So I know for a fact that this is going to get all the dirt off, restore it back to the way that it looked right after I hand washed it.
So as you can see here, getting my foam cannon ready. Been using the same soap I used in the last video. It's the McGuire soap that you can find at Costco, and it works fabulous in a foam cannon here, as you can see. And this is just a cheap Amazon foam cannon. Gives really good results. So I'm just going to cover the whole car in foam, let it sit for a few minutes, rinse it down. Stay tuned. After the foam has sat on the car there for a few minutes, you're just going to take your pressure washer, rinse it down, get all that soap off, and then we're going to be ready to dry. Alright guys, you're going to see me here with the leaf blower getting ready to dry the car. I'd advise you to wear ear protection, some type of earplugs, headphones. I have these here that I use whenever I go shooting, and they do a great job. Just, wear those just to prevent your ears from ringing afterward. So as you can see here, I'm on the back of the car, and this is one of the best spots to use a leaf blower on my car. Just so much water collects around that spoiler, around the license plate, taillights. So this really just gets in every spot that a towel couldn't get. And if you didn't have this, you would have water dripping from your car for hours after you washed it, hours. You'd have water spots. So this really is just the best way to dry your car. I highly advise you guys to start doing this. I've been doing it for years, and I love it. All right, as you guys can see, car is clean, dry. I just wanted to add one thing before the video ends. The wheels. If your wheels are dirty and you would like to do this method, some people have really aggressive brakes. They get brake dust build up in a couple days. clean your wheels normally, just like you would with a regular hand wash. Do that first, get that knocked out, and then move on to the touchless wash. And that is going to be it for today's video, guys. Next video is going to be about how to clean your interior, how to keep it looking clean longer. So stay tuned for that. Have a good day.